What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Fauna from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing across a curved line for the top of her head and extend it slightly on the right side. Now I'm gonna draw her snout, and I'm gonna take a point inside of the face and draw a curved line out to the right, and I'm gonna make a semicircular turn back to the left, and I'm gonna extend that line with a curved line right there. And for the lower portion of the mouth, I'm gonna make a semicircle point below the top portion of the mouth right there and extend it to the left with a curved line across below her face, and then we're gonna turn it upwards on the left side and stop at the lower point of the ear. Now from this point right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and slightly up, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the face, and for the inner point here, I'm gonna trace the outline of the ear, and the same goes to the upper portion, and I'm gonna extend the side downwards and join the lower point and the top together. Now on the right side, I'm gonna draw a similar shape for the right ear, like that. Okay, for her nose, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at the tip of her snout right here. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw a smaller oval, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now at the side of the nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the center of the face right there, and then I'm gonna make a turn up with a curved line surrounding the eye, and to the left, and then back down at the sides, and then stop there, and I'm gonna make a turn to the left side of the cheek with a curved line right there. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the right as well. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna draw the right eye with an oval shape, and then I'm gonna thicken the outline of the eye like that. And below the eye, I'm gonna add a short line, and we're gonna thicken that up as well. Now for the left eye, we're gonna do the same thing and draw an oval shape, and we're gonna thicken that up as well. And below the eye, we're gonna add two thick lines for her lashes. Now below the left eye, I'm gonna add an oval shape right there. And below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side and outwards, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the tip of the arm and back with a curved line to the outfit. Now at this corner right here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line up to the shoulder right there, and we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. And from the right shoulder point right here, I'm gonna draw a line downwards all the way to the bottom point of the shirt, and we're gonna do a curved line down from the left side of the arm. And at the lower point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there. Okay. Now below the outfit, I'm gonna take a point on the right here and draw a curved line across to the center below. And from that point, I'm gonna draw her left leg with a line down and turn it diagonally outwards, and a semicircle tip right there, and then I'm gonna make a turn back diagonally up and the curved line to the left side of her outfit. Now for her right leg, I'm gonna draw a line downwards from that point right there, and a semicircle tip for the leg and turn it back up at the side. Now for her tail, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point and sharp turn back in to the outfit. At the lower point of her outfit, I'm gonna draw across a set of curved line from the left across the lower point right there, another curved line, and another one all the way to the right. And below her face, we're gonna do the same shape across right there, and below that, I'm gonna draw a mirror upside down of the shape as well. And in between the outfit, I'm gonna draw the same shape across vertically right there, and I'm gonna mirror that on the right side as well. Now for her buttons, I'm gonna draw a shape with a curved line at the outer point and a straight line down for the inner point, and fill that in with black color. And I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side here, and then I'm gonna draw across a straight line like that, and in the middle point I'm gonna draw a triangular shape with black filling. Now I'm gonna copy the whole shape at the lower point right here, and another one below that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!